In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on crypto.com. Follow along so you won't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, go to crypto.com and sign into your account using your verified email and passcode. Then, click the deposit button at the top right corner of the home page. Now search for the coin or crypto you want to deposit. In this video, we'll use USDT as the example. Next, select the network you want to use for the transfer. Make sure to match this with the sending platform's network to avoid errors. Finally, copy the wallet address shown and paste it into the app or exchange you'll use to send the crypto. Double-check the address before confirming the transaction. Bonus tip: always send a small test amount first to make sure the wallet address and network are correct. This can help prevent losing your funds. And that's how to deposit money on crypto.com. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!